Okay, here's that Victrola coronavirus infused record player from October 2018. Anyway, you can see the fine cabinetry. Just lovely. Just really, just fine cabinetry. Just the finest. Just the finest particle board cabinetry that money can buy. Well, actually, no, this is hardboard. There's Sandy. Hey, hi. Hi. You're such a sweet girl. Hi, I love you. Man-made material. Oh, wow. Okay, so, to finish off this fine cabinetry made, let's see how it will do in a down impact of a bunch of pounds. Oh, as you can see, it bubbles up and it cracks. Now let's finish this bitch off. Well, if it doesn't fall over on me. Fine cabinetry. This will go directly into the freaking garbage hole. Now. Oh, wait, no. We still need to... Well, this lid could stand to be EOL'd some more. The only thing holding this together is these fucking corner pieces. See this? So this was part 2 on how you properly repair a Victrola turntable.